In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add USDJPY, also known as Japanese yen, inside of MetaTrader 5 on either laptop, PC, or Mac. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up MetaTrader 5, and then from here you'll of course go in and log into that specific account that you want to trade with. From here it should bring something like this, and here you'll need to go up to where it says Market Watch, and over here you'll need to right click on it until you see symbols down here. As you can see, you can also click Ctrl+U on your keyboard to get this page up right here. From here you'll need to go over to the Forex over here, and then you can either scroll down until you see it, or you can go up here to the search bar and click on USDJPY like so. From here you'll need to click on it and then click show symbol down here, and then click OK. Once you scroll down inside the Market Watch, you'll see USDJPY right here. And if you want to view the charts, you'll simply need to drag this over to any of these charts over here, like so. So let's say you want to trade USDJPY, and that is also super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is go down to the trading down here, and then right click on it and click a new order. You can also click F9 on your keyboard. From here you'll need to enter the symbol, and in this tutorial I'm just going to use the USDJPY, and from here you'll need to add a type, either market execution or pending order, and down here you'll need to enter your volume, how much you want to invest into USDJPY. You'll need to enter stop loss and take profit. Then from here you'll just simply need to click buy by market. From here you'll need to click OK, and now you have officially traded and bought USDJPY into your trading account, or Forex trading account. But that's how you do it. If you have no questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See you.